Let us recall that during the Justice Committee proceeding, wala po tayong nakuhang responsive answer to the allegations of offenses. Those which were alleged in their answer are all constitutional issues which are still pending before the Supreme Court, no? Ang gusto po sana namin, which I believe ito rin ang inaasahan ng taong bayan, yung mismong kasagutan sa usapin ng threat, kasagutan sa usapin ng misuse of confidential fund, kasagutan dito sa usapin ng unexplained wealth and non-disclosure to SALN, at yung kasagutan din sa usapin ng bribery. Ang gusto po sana natin, answer which respond directly. Totoong tumutugon sa mga aligasyon na nilalaman ng articles of impeachment.